Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is July 17th, 2016. And my buddy Jason and I are out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, testing some more old motors. This one here is motor number 2 for this evening. This one here is a 1959 Evinrude 10. I picked this motor up at an AOMCI meet in Wisconsin back in April. The spring breakup meet, I believe it was called. And I tuned it up back then in April, and I never got a chance to get out and give it a try, so we're out giving it a try this time. So we'll give you a little show on this one. Get a new water pump in it. And it is just a 10 horse, so we got 2 adult men on the boat, 3 gas tanks. So nice and quiet and smooth. Weeds on the prop. You feel a vibration in it. And reverse. And back to forward. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. We'll get the next run of the truck. Bye.